Book collecting for beginners. Do you love the feel of a book in your hands? The way a story can transport you? Well, book collecting might be the perfect hobby for you. It's all about finding stories you cherish, whether it's a first edition classic, a signed copy of your favorite author, or a quirky find from a local thrift store. The hunt is half the fun. Explore used bookstores, flea markets, and online marketplaces. There's a whole world of hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Don't worry, you don't need a ton of cash to get started. Set a budget and stick to it. You can find amazing books at great prices. The best part? Your collection becomes a personal library filled with stories and memories. Every book has a journey, and now it's part of yours. So, are you ready to embark on a literary adventure? Start collecting books and discover the joy of owning a piece of literary history. Happy collecting!